So here it is. Guys, I just got this today. And um, to tell the truth, I had one before and something happened to it. It stopped working. So I said, let me go ahead and get me another one. It's a different brand. This is the Hamilton Beach. It's the Easy Clean Juice Extractor. And it has a big mouth chute. Again, it has fast clean up patent easy sweep cleaning tool. It makes fresh healthy juice in seconds. It minimizes prep time with extra large chute as I mentioned before. And yes guys, it has maximum juice from hard and soft foods. So 80 watt and it has 2 speed meter. All right guys, so there it is. All right, watch me unbox and put everything together. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open. Guys, the box is taller than I am. Not really, but there we go. We have the user guide. And guys, I'm bad with following instruction. So I always just take everything out and try to put it together myself first. And then when I run into a road bump, that's when I start looking in the guide. So let me go ahead and see if I can grab this, get everything out, tightly fit. And you have this part. And I think this is a cup, yeah, to when you extract in the juice. Goes right here. Yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. There it is. Alright, so we're out. Take this top part off. And there we have it. Alright, let me get it out of the plastic. Get all of them. Alright, you have it in there real good. There we go. And so it's all together. I don't really have anything much to put together. Here's a cord right here. There we go. This comes down. And lift off the top. Let me do this part. Oh, so you push this out. Put it back in. Okay, so this is the section. They say look like a little trash bucket. This is where the waste go, like the roughage from the fruits and vegetables. So that's that. And then we're gonna take this out. Right, this part right here is where when you use the handle to hold it in place. When this is on top, and you use this section right here, like you put the fruits and then you use this to squeeze it. It's gonna come right here and strain it, and then it flows into the cup right here. All right, guys, and I'm here sweating bullets because it is 84 degrees right now. Another section, you can get this out right here, the basket that has a strainer, and you just see, hold on, lift out. Okay, there you have it, and this comes out. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. Yes, guys, cleanliness, right? We're not just gonna use it like that, although it's new in the packet. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything, and of course I'm gonna make a juice for you. Okay, stick and stay, you'll see what juice Dory is blending. Alright, put that on, and we're gonna start on low. I'm gonna stop that for a minute to show you what we have so far. So there it is. Clean up my mess here. All right, so we're gonna continue adding fruits. Let's try a kiwi. Actually, 2 kiwi can go. Can we fit 3? Nah, let's do 2. And you gotta line up this section, the groove, right here. So push, and we're gonna go low. Alright, so just continue the process. I'm gonna do cantaloupe. Oh my god, guys, did you see that slippery little sucker? And on you go. Look at that, guys. All right, let me get a bowl because that's so small. Let me get a bowl to transfer. I have juice so far. So pour in here.